Now this is the easy section. He does the good job without me. But this section up here, that will be a little bit tricky. And I will see it. So here we are, guys. Small red canyon. A little bit tricky trail. Bigger rocks till here. It's okay, but back up there, and also driving down, that will be a challenge for this car. Big challenge for Defender. It's not that extreme big rocks or something that you can see, but it's sharp rocks, and we have standard winter tires, road tires. But for now I will go ahead and help navigate, just in case we don't risk it to shred the tires, and slowly drive down into the village Umaljani and to the cold creek. Now we'll see how it looks like. This is the hard part. Sharp rock starts from here all the way up and down. Not whole trail, but this passage, that is an issue. So here we are. First climb. That is a little bit difficult. Terrain, the water washed away bigger part of the trail, but it's covered with the rocks, sharp rocks, not usual gravel. Come on up. Now you can see how the suspension works. Easy, easy. Left, left. Go left. See here. This is a challenge. Okay. Left. Here we go. Easy peasy. With the standard tires. Excellent. Perfect. This is why they call it Red Canyon, because of this reddish color of the rocks that you can find along the side, and the typical limestone that is supposed to be totally white. Only in this section to the Lukomir village it's red. It's not huge, as you can see. It's not that deep, but for the vehicle it's challenging, and especially now when you don't have off-road tires like those big monster truck tires. You have normal tires, but with this car and this type of the suspension, Defender does the great job. Look Mirella down. She's always take a snap, photo. Come on, off-road driver, let's go till we have sunlight. He did it without any problems. I mean, we survived the Red Canyon. I don't advise anybody with a normal SUV without any serious preparation to go, but they did it. I mean, they built the serial car that you don't have to modify it. It's up to you what kind of tires you will change and desire to use, but on this one, with the standard Pirelli Scorpion winter tires, I mean, that is the basically totally road tire. Survived in one piece, as you can see. And then again, when you realize we passed the canyon all the way from here, we drive on the edge inside of the village, and we are practically now above the village Umaljani. And behind me you can see 2000 meters mountain Bjelašnica. That was the place where we were yesterday. Beautiful view on the Sarajevo, serious rocks, and you can see how close everything it is, but just you have to know where to go and to explore it. And just right behind me, down here behind this hill, is the Cold Creek, and I will show it to you. We will go on the edge of the hill pass, because down there in the valley it's a shadow. The car is dirty and it's black, and the Molly, our drone, will not manage to take a decent footage on it. But from up here we will enjoy an amazing scenery where the car can take you. Even so, you can go by foot, you know, you can hike, but for each destination plan a day to go there. And I will show it to you how the Cold Creek looks like. As soon as this off-road driver finishes her photo session with the car, now she's gonna yell at me, move, find that corner, this, that, here, always on the way. Yeah, I'm talking about you.
I know.
Yeah, about her. But she did it well. I mean, I don't know, can she handle it with the normal Pajero, you know, stock car without any modifications except, you know, all-terrain tires? I think she could do it, but, you know, a little bit easier. Now, she have lots of cameras.
Cousin. Of course I could.
I'm speaking all the best about you.
Ah, okay.
You interrupt me.
Continue, please. I'm going working.
woman. Now, enjoying the scenery on the cold creek now.